How to edit Instagram video without posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to edit your videos in the Instagram app without posting it? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up the Instagram app and then you will see the plus icon on the bottom on the middle. Tap on it and make sure it is set to reel. Now choose the video that you want to edit and then hit next. Now hit next again on the top right. And now you'll see edit video option on the bottom left. Tap on it and now you'll be able to edit your video. You will see various options. You can add text if you want. You can change the font and color of the text according to your wish and then hit done. And then uh, once you're done putting in the text, you can just place it any way that you want on the screen. Or if you want the text on the whole video, then you can just drag it and then you can just put it till the end of the video. Or what you can do is you can even put stickers, and if you want to add audio, just tap on add audio and then choose the audio. You can even search for the specific audio that you want, and you can put the lyrics of the audios as well. And then there you'll see add clips option. So if you want to add more clips from your gallery, you can tap on add clips, and then you'll see overlay option. So overlay option is you'll be able to put another photo on top of the video. And if you go to edit option here, you see yellow lines appear. So if you want to trim the video, you can just drag it and then trim the video. Now, if you want to trim the middle part of the video, then go to the video starting and tap on split, and then go to the part where you want the end, and then tap on split again, and there you'll see a video is separated in the middle. Just tap on it and you can search for the delete option. It's on the very end. Tap on it and then you can discard the middle part. And you can even put captions if you want. You can do your own voice over, record your own voice for the video. You can even change the filters according to your wish. And then you can even reorder, like if there are two clips, you can just drag it front or drag it back and hit done. And then lastly, you can import audio. That means if there is a video on your gallery and you want audio from there, you can just choose the video and the audio will be imported. It's as simple as that. Now, once you're done doing that, you can tap on the main video and then swipe to the left, and you will see save option, that is like an download arrow. You just have to tap on it and then you can see the saved option. That means now the video is saved to your gallery. Now you can just tap on the cross on the top left and then tap on start over or save draft, and then there you go, you have edited your video without posting. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.